Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So it's been a while since I covered Sparkcoin, so I thought I should make an update on this one. So first of all, this is the last uh, price action from my last video, and this is a pretty confusing. I will just delete that and come at the price action and price prediction at the last and see where it is headed. So before that, we'll just look at and see what is going on. So first of all, the most important thing about SPA is that we need to see if there is any activity or not. So to do that, we can actually see the SPA burned. So as you can see here, the number of SPA burned has actually went significantly down. So that means there may not be that much activity going on their protocol, and which is not that good. So if we want the SPA to go up, I think we need a lot of activity, but as of now, from this number, it does not seems like there is a lot of SPA being banned, so not that good. So beside that, we after that we need to look at their Twitter, and as for their Twitter, they did have SPA and ARB reward replenished. And after that, we also had a partnership with Umami DAO, and Umami DAO is not that much famous, as you can see here. So not it's not that groundbreaking or anything like that. So beside that, we also had XSPA was already introduced a while ago. So just a second. Interested what it brings to the ecosystem. Well, that's simple, because what XSPA brings to the ecosystem is that slower and more steady token release into the circulation, more burns, and you can actually stake your XSPA like SPA to gain rewards and voting rights. So in terms of their let's just see if we have their snapshot. So I just wanted to see where we can find their snapshot. Okay, so this is their snapshot, and see if we have anything going on their governance. So in terms of governance, as expected, we do not have anything beside Umami DAO, Uniswap, USDT liquidity incentive partnership, and it actually ended 1 month ago. And besides that, we don't have anything going on their proposal. So that means that there is no voting going on. So let's just see if we have anything on their forum, and if we actually let's just go to the latest and see. So the last one was Feb 16th, so there is no activity going on here either. So what is disappointing is that from the SPA perspective, is their Demeter 2.0. So it was supposed to come out, I believe, in a Q1. So we were supposed to have a beta in a Q1, I believe, but still we did not see that coming. So it's been a while since they announced that the Demeter 2.0 is coming. They announced it actually on the Feb 27th. So if they actually had launched this in March, I think we may have seen a lot of momentum from the Sperax or Sparkcoin, but unfortunately we did not see anything on that. So there is something interesting. As you can see here, they are actually testing on Polygon, ZZ Sync, Era, Linea, and Base. So Base has actually gone parabolic, and I think if they do launch it on a base, that could actually pump Sparkcoin to new horizons. But as of now, I don't think we have any update on that. So I actually checked their Discord as well, so there was no update on there either. So their team did confirm that they did not have any news recently as of now. So in terms of their as you can see here, Demeter 2.0, they actually did say they will release public release with a revamped front end. So as of now, there is no news on that. Also, they also said that ongoing multi-dex and multi-chain integration throughout the year, but we know as of now we don't have anything on that either. So in terms of their Q2, we are looking at public release of their CDP stablecoin and see what happens with that. And we also have decentralized front end development and testing, and we also have a USDS 2.0 new collateral and studies coming in Q2, but as of now there is no update on that either. So in terms of their GitHub activities, we did have something around last week ago, but as of now recently we don't have anything going on their GitHub either. So still, despite those all the facts, the spark coin is holding pretty well, which is pretty impressive and which is pretty good as well. So in terms of their DeFi has their TVL has actually gone down, which is not that good either, I believe. So as you can see here, it actually went it is going down, and it is currently around 1.59 million. Not good, absolutely not good. So in terms of buying and see what is happening, we do have a lot of buying happening behind the back. As you can see, someone bought actually 15 minutes ago 1.5 million, and I have actually used the filter here, which is between 1 million and I believe 10 million or 1 billion. I just put it randomly, but this filter actually allows us to spot a big buying happening. So as you can see here, 15 minutes ago we had a big buying, and 1 hour ago we had a lot of buying happening, and this address is actually buying it. So as you can see here, he has been putting it to treasure DAO magic token. So never mind that. So still, to see the transaction, we have to go here, and we can actually see how much he is holding the spark coin. So let's just see how much he is holding. So he is actually holding over, as of now he is holding around 5.1k. I believe he may be a arbitrage trader, so let's just ignore that one. So and see if we have anything else happening here. So we do have a buying happening. As you can see here, there is a selling happening as well, but there are a lot of buyer from transferring from exchanges to their address. As you can see here, this actually address transferred around 1.4 million, and this one even did 4 million spark coin, and this one did 2 million, which is pretty high. So let's just see on the second page and see if we have anything here. So overall, I think there is a lot of buying happening behind the back if we do look at the exchanges. But as we also have a sellers as well. As you can see, this guy actually sold around 1.6, and these guys are also selling, but it was around 5 days ago, and around 5 days ago the spark coin was trading above here. So it's still pretty good. So let's just come to the actual price action and see what is happening. So I think as of now we are into the consolidation, and I think what we may need to break out this trend line, and if we are able to break this out this trend line, I think we may be heading higher. But to do that, we need a breakout from this point, and as of now it is holding pretty well. And for a quick trade, I think we do have a pretty good entry, but I think that trade may be a bit riskier, so you have to be extremely careful. So this trade, I think around 1.4 or 1.3, I think is a pretty good entry, but that is a bit riskier trade. If not, I think we can actually enter a slightly above that, around 1.48 to 1.41, which is a pretty good entry if we are looking for a quick trade, and that could be a riskier as well. But I think if it does break out from here, we may be heading towards at least 24 cent or even 20 cent. But another entry point I think we have pretty good, which is I think is around here, which is around 10295, which is a bit lower, but I think if we can get sniper entry at this point, it may be a bit more profitable than this one. But still, I think if we do see a breakout from here, we may be heading towards higher levels as well. So in terms of its potential, I think let's just go to the coin Gecko and see what was its high. So its high was around 19 cent, which is pretty high, but as of now it's trading way below that. So I think the biggest resistance it had is, as of now, is this one around 24 cent, and around 24. And if we are able to break that, I think we may be heading higher as well. So what we need as of now, we need it to break out from here and see where it goes after that. So this was it. I hope you like the video. I will so before I end the video here. I just wanted to say that we need Demeter 2.0 update and some more partnership about on-chain, about multi-chain and where it's headed. If the Demeter does launch on a base, I think it could actually be pretty big for it will be pretty big for Sperax, because if you do look here, the base is actually doing extremely well, and the TVL is going parabolic, and I think there are a lot of projects which will be going up as again. So as of now, the arrow is doing absolutely well because of the base. So still, I think if the Sperax does launch on a base, I think we may have big things coming up for Sperax, but as of now, there is no update on that. So and that GitHub is also not that active, as you can see, so it is a bit concerning. But this was it. What we need is a breakout from here, and I think hopefully we can at least go towards just a second, we can at least go towards 20 or even 23 if we do see a breakout from here. So this was it. I hope you like the video. I will be back with more. Thanks for watching.